Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing a very important video with you today, which is how to truly know the only proven way that I know of to know if you are really on a twin flame journey. So if you have been wondering if you are on a twin flame journey, watch this video. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here today. My name is Serena. I am one half of Life After Union, two twin flames in union. So we make these weekly videos to help you on your twin flame journey, your ascension journey, and your conscious relationships. So today I'm sharing with you the only proven way I know of to be absolutely certain that somebody is your twin flame. Okay, so we've all wondered this. We've all wondered, how can I truly know that somebody is my twin flame? And some people will tell you, oh, you'll experience this sign in synchronicity. Some people will tell you they'll have this as their astrology, or their numerology will compare like this to yours, or your life path numbers will be like this, or there's all kinds of different divination tools that people will look for in order to prove that they're twin flames. Now, the problem with this at the end of the day is it's completely omitting one very, very, very essential part of the puzzle. And that part of the puzzle is you as a conscious creator. Okay, so when we are constantly looking for validation outside of ourselves for, is this person my twin flame? I will get this in a comment all the time. People will ask me, is this my twin flame? Can you prove that this is my twin flame? People will come on twin flames readings and want me to tell them 100%, no doubt about it, this is your twin flame. But I can't do any of that because you are the conscious creator of your story. And my job here as a twin flame mentor is to give you the keys to your own journey. I don't want to take your keys. I don't want to drive your car. I don't want to live in your house. I don't want to be you. So I can't tell you about you, right? Only you can tell me about you, right? So you can tell me all day long what's been going on in your twin flame dynamic. And if it feels twin flamey to me, of course, I'll tell you that. I'm not going to withhold information. But at the end of the day, nothing can, and sorry about the dogs barking, you guys, I think someone's in the driveway. Nothing can confirm to you about your own twin flame journey besides you, okay? And so the reason why I'm sharing this for you today, and I haven't even gotten to the reason that, or like the proven method to employ in order to know if you're on a twin flame journey, but I think every other method takes out, like, they're all systems at the end of the day, right? And so while, yes, they have a beautiful consciousness of their own, all of these systems do, right? And so 100% find systems that work for you. I even suggest certain systems to my clients and the people I work with. But that doesn't mean take that system's word over your own, okay? And that's something I struggled with a lot, especially being very empathic. I would take everybody's word over my own. And so I wanted to know in the beginning of my journey, is this my twin flame? I cannot tell you the number of things I did. I compared astrology for like a month straight. I compared me and my karmic's astrology. I compared me and my twin flames astrology. I compared their astrologies. I did synastry reports. I did everything you could possibly do. And you know what? I was just more confused at the end of the day because what I was actually seeking was validation for something I already knew within my heart. And so if you're in the same place, like, yes, watch all the fun videos, do all the fun quizzes, like, don't omit that from your journey if it's going to bring you joy and like that giddy feeling of excitement, but just don't value it over your own intuition, your own inner voice, right? Part of this journey, the only way to go through the twin flame journey is by getting more in tune with yourself. And so the more in tune you are with yourself, the more clarity you're going to have on what type of a journey you're on. So with all of that being said, what is the only proven way to know that you are on a twin flame journey? Some of you are going to hate me for this answer. The only way to know is to go through it, okay? And I know this sounds so redundant, but there are so many of you watching me right now tell you this and are thinking, well, are they my twin flame or not? Or are they or not? Because what you're trying to do is cheat the system, right? You're trying to say, do I pursue this? Do I not pursue this? And that's the ego being afraid, right? That's the ego fearing the change that it's going to need to go through. That's the ego fearing the death that it's going to experience as more of your soul emerges, okay? So the reason why I say the only way to know is to go through it is because that is literally the only way, okay? This journey will never end, okay? If you were born into this lifetime as you, and you were born into being a twin flame, your twin flame journey is never going to end. Like, union is not the end of the twin flame journey. That's why you have to continue. You have to keep going through it. And even if that means at the end of the day, you guys, even if that means you don't end up in union with your twin flame, you're still a twin flame on a twin flame journey, union or not. And that's the only reason you can know if it is your twin flame or not. It's because you have to go through certain lessons, certain awakenings, certain enlightenments to actually be able to choose that from a conscious place. Because up until any point, we just think they're going to complete us. We just think we need them in order to be okay. We think, oh, they're a twin flame, so I'm obligated to be with them in this lifetime. We have all these little preconceived ideas of why we should be with this person, right? And it's not until we truly become conscious of all those things, limiting beliefs, programs, preconceived ideas, projections, fears, all of it. We have to become aware and transcend all of it to come back and choose it or not from a conscious place. And that is the only way through, because it will come up again and again and again, because the twin flame journey is a process of shedding karma. And karma is just a cycle. It's repeating itself again and again and again. This is why when you let go, I know this happens to you. This is why when you let go, your twin flame suddenly comes back. This is why when you let go or you renounce your twin flame or your journey, you suddenly see all these signs and synchronicities again. It's because the journey's not going anywhere. You're already on the journey. You don't really have a choice of whether you're on the journey. You do have a choice of whether you come into union or not, but you don't have a choice of whether you're on the journey or not. You're on an awakening journey. And it's like Pandora's box. It's like once that box is open, once you've met them, once you've had your instant recognition, it's not going back in the box. Like, now you have all this stuff to sort out. And the only way your true self and your soul is going to be satisfied at the end of the day is for you to sort it out. So if you need help in that process of sorting out your twin flame journey, sorting out your beliefs, your wounds, your programming, and you want to do this with other twins who are actually aligned on your same path, we have our applications that are live now for Twin Flame Path to Awakening. This is my exclusive group coaching program that I do with my twin flame. And we take you through all the elements of the twin flame journey. So much powerful healing, you guys. I cannot even explain it all. Obviously, I can barely explain it all in 6 months, which is how long the program is. And even then, I'm like, there's still so much more color to this than what we can even cover. Because as you guys know, the twin flame experience transcends the human experience. So there's only so much we can cover, but it is the most transformational coaching program I know out there for twin flames. I don't know anybody else doing it like this. And actually, one of our beta testers from the first program the other day said to me, she was like, Serena, you truly guide people into themselves. Like, you're not telling them, do this, don't do this, do this, don't do this. What you're telling people is to get in tune with yourself. And what I'm really doing is I am giving you your own keys to your own happiness, your own freedom, your own journey. I am alerting you to where you've been limiting yourself and helping you through that. And so this program is an expansion on the beta tester program. But you guys, we have incredibly flexible payment plans. This is something that, if it resonates with you to do this work, heal your wounds with other people who are aligned on your same path, definitely apply down below. We're taking applications now. So yeah, just know it takes us some time to process the applications, and we'll be, you know, regardless whether you're accepted or not, you will be hearing from me. So just so you know, you can expect an email from me. And yeah, I'm just sending you guys lots and lots of love. Let me know what's going on in your twin flame journey, and we'll talk to you soon. Big love, Serena.